Hey guys, it's me, Kinghuman, and in this video I'm going to show you the 3 simple, easy steps you can do right now, today, to start making money online. It's going to be simple, it's going to be easy, it's going to be quick, it's going to be free for you to get in. This is something I do, it makes me money, it's something a lot of the big online income gurus do, and you can be one of them. You just have to kind of take action. Here we go. I'm going to show you. Let's get into it. Booyakasha. All right. Let's go. Pay attention. I'm going to go quickly. We can get this done in 3 simple steps. Step 1, come to ChatGPT 4. And you can see the prompt that I typed in here. Basically, I just asked ChatGPT to give me the top 5 niches that pay the most and have the most potential for affiliate monetization for creators on TikTok and YouTube in 2024. And this is the list that it generated: tech and gadgets, health and wellness, finance and investing, beauty and fashion, and online education and courses. That's all well and good on the surface. Now, I could delve deeper and find out exactly what each of these niches pay on the platform. In other words, what is TikTok and what is YouTube willing to pay me per 1,000 views for these different niches? And that'll give me a better idea of which niches I want to go after. But this is what I want to suggest to you. Create channels in each one of these niches. Get on the platforms right now, TikTok and YouTube, and create a tech and gadget channel, then a health and wellness channel, finance and investing, beauty and fashion, and online education and courses. Very simple, very easy. Just make those 5 channels. We're still in step 1. Very simple, very easy. But what I want you to realize is the real money for you as a beginner on these platforms is not going to be getting monetized on YouTube and TikTok. It's going to be self-monetizing your channels. What do I mean by that? I mean by referring people as an affiliate to products that can benefit their life. So the next step I'm taking in ChatGPT 4 is to tell me what I can go after as an affiliate. So taking things to the next level here, I've asked ChatGPT 4 to give me affiliate programs and the payouts so that I know what I should go after off-site, off-platform. And as you can see right here, tech and gadgets, TikTok, average payout $50 to $200 per sale or higher for high-ticket items. Platforms that I can be an affiliate for and make that kind of money potentially: Amazon Associates, Best Buy, B&H Photo. YouTube, average payout $50 to $300 per sale or higher depending on the product. Platform, Amazon Associates, Newegg, Apple affiliate program. I would also add to these Walmart affiliate program. Now, anytime you see Amazon, you can do Walmart affiliate program, and you may be able to refer products that have better prices than Amazon, and that'll get you more sales. Now, these are just suggestions. I will scroll through here so that you can see the whole list, pause to read, take notes. These are your pathways to income. However, they are not your only pathways. For example, the health and fitness niche, just as an example, we'll do this as a case study. Let me show you another platform where you can become an affiliate for a lot of health and fitness products that you can make money with. All right, this is a platform you've probably heard about. This is clickbank.com. Now, it's free to join ClickBank. It's free to be an affiliate for all of the products within ClickBank. Let me show you how easy it is and what to do. Okay, once you create an account on ClickBank, you can come here into the marketplace and you can just click on top offers. Now, these are the offers that are currently making affiliates the most amount of money. Now, something you're going to notice especially on ClickBank, is 99% of the top offers on ClickBank are going to be health related. For example, Java Burn. This is a product that you add to your coffee and it helps you lose weight. Look at the potential income that you can make per sale, $150.33. Now, if I want to promote this, all I have to do is click on this button and I will get my own affiliate link. It will be a long string URL. I click on that, I copy that, I put it to a clipboard, and I save it for later. I'll show you what to do with that later, but I just right now want to show you what's going on. Purivive. This is another product that is health related. Now, you can click on any of these and you will see the actual product. So this is obviously a weight loss product, and it consists of these different ingredients. I'll show you why it's important to look at these pages and what we can do with this. Now, if we come to the affiliate page on any of these listings, we will see if they give us any tools that will help us make our promotions. In other words, if we're going to be making videos to post on TikTok and YouTube, we want to look and see what is going on here and see what tools they give us. Now that I've logged into the affiliate resources page, I can see all of the different materials and information that will help me to make money, and it will help you make money as a beginner. So commissions, here you can read this. You can request an upgrade rate on your commission to upgrade up to 85%. This is important, the demographics. Who is the target audience? Who is the avatar for this product? And it tells you ages 35 to 80, gender female, 60% female, 40% male. This gives you the devices that they're looking at. This is important if you want to run paid advertisements, but it's something you should always be aware of. Now, we're not going to run paid ads. We're going to try and get our traffic for free. So I will show you how to do that. Now, they even give us emails. Now, emails can be important if we want to construct our own videos. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go on to step 2. All right. Here we go. This is step 2. You're going to be amazed at how easy this is going to be and the amount of potential money you can make with this. I'm showing you a tool. It's called InVideo AI. So the URL is invideo.io/AI. Come in here, sign up. They do have a free plan. Let's look at pricing here. They do have a free plan, so you can try it for free. But let me just log into my account and I'll show you exactly what to do. All right, this tool is amazing because all you have to do is give it a topic and instructions, and it will create an entire done-for-you video with narration, music, the whole bit. So let me show you what I'm going to do. And this is going to be a moneymaker. All right, all I've done is I've just typed in a simple prompt in here, create a 5-minute video about how the following natural herbs and foods can promote weight loss and total wellness. And then I listed all of these 8 natural ingredients. And then I said, narrate the video with a British man's voice and add motivational music. Now, what is this 8 ingredients? Where did I get this from? Well, if you come back to the page of the product that we're potentially promoting here, this Purivive, if you scroll down here, you'll see inside every capsule, you'll find 8 clinically proven ingredients that increase calorie burning and burn fat, right? So now what I'm going to do is I am going to create a video with one click that extols the virtues of all of these natural ingredients And then at the end of that video, I'm going to add a simple call to action saying something like, you can get all of these natural ingredients in a special formulation supplement that will help you, and you can get it here. Click the link below, right? Very simple, very easy. Now let's go back and actually generate this video. I'm going to click on generate the video. All right, that only took a couple of minutes to generate this video. Let me play the first couple of minutes of it just to give you an idea of the quality that this puts out. Here we go.
From the vibrant tapestry of a lush garden, we are reminded of nature's profound ability to heal and rejuvenate. In our journey towards health and wellness, nature offers some remarkable helpers. Let's explore how 8 little-known natural herbs and foods can not only promote weight loss, but also enhance our overall well-being. Our first stop takes us to luteolin, a flavonoid found in a variety of plants, including celery, parsley, and artichokes. This potent compound is known for its remarkable anti-inflammatory properties, effectively calming the body's inflammatory responses. But luteolin's benefit...
All right, you get the idea. This goes through each one of those herbs, explains the benefit, and it gives people a reason to want to take these natural supplements, these natural herbs. So this is really, really powerful. Now, if for any reason I want to edit this video in any way, I can just click on this button and I can either substitute any of these video slides with a simple click, or I can edit the script with a simple click and make it say whatever I want. And I can also edit the music. This is gold. Very simple, very easy. And now I have a complete video team, an AI team of video editors and creators making my creatives for me. With this tool, I can crank out videos on a daily basis. I could crank out 3, 4, 5 videos a day to build up my channels. And that's what you need to do. Now, the other way you can change anything is just right in here in the text prompt. For example, you can see I said, make the first chapter shorter, and then I just clicked on this, and it did. The first chapter was pretty long, and I just told it, make it shorter. It does what you tell it. It is smart. So this tool will be so easy. Even you, even a newbie, can use it to create money-making income robots, like I'm showing you how to do. Now, the other thing I'm going to do with this video is I will add a tag at the end of the video with a call to action, a CTA. So very simple, very easy. Okay, so what I've done is I've just typed in add a chapter at the end saying to get all the benefits of these amazing herbs in one formulation, click the link below. It's just a simple call to action. I'll play it here so you can see what this has done.
To get all these amazing natural herbs in one special formulation, simply follow the link below. This unique blend harnesses the power of nature to support your wellness journey.
So you can see this can be a very, very powerful, compelling way to drive free traffic to your affiliate offers. Very simple, very easy, and you can do it. So the next step, step 3, is simply to use the tools that I've shown you and start posting every day. Generate at least 1 video a day in all of the different niches and post 1 video a day. And remember, even imperfect action taken on a daily basis will lead you to success. Now, I have a bonus step 4 for you that can make you even more money with less work. All right, this is step 4. I'm showing you the income that I make every month, every day, every week. I've been doing it for 20-something years. I'm going to teach it to you. This income comes to me pretty much on autopilot. It is minimal work, maximum income. I can teach it to you. You will be able to do it. If I can do it, I believe you can do it. This is simple. It's easy. It's not going to cost you any money up front to make these automated income robots that I'm going to show you how to make. What you need to do is you need to go to my website, thekinghumanelite.com, and sign up. Now, on sign up, you want to enter the coupon code JUST8, and that's going to get you your first month's tuition for just $8. An unheard of discount. I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to run this promotion, so jump on it while you can. Now, once you join, you're going to see amazing things. I'm going to show you exactly what I do. You will be able to do it, and I'm going to show you step by step, not only how to do it, but I'm going to give you all of the done-for-you materials that will make you money. This is going to be 99% done for you. On top of that, if that were not enough, I'm going to give you my phone number where you can reach me, not a virtual assistant. You will reach me, and I will give you private one-on-one coaching for free. I will give you as much help as you need. And believe it, you won't need much. You probably won't need any help from me. It is that simple. But I'm here for you if you need me. All right, there it is. Do it, don't do it. It's entirely up to you. But I would suggest you don't miss out on this. All right, maximum respect. All the best. Cheers.